It's time for it to end. FrankenWatt must live.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, just like to be theatrical. With all kidding aside, we're taking a break from prepping for the Great Guitar Build-Off and finishing this FrankenWatt, I should say Bride of FrankenWatt build for my friend Eric, Dr. FrankenWatt. He's filling his barn out, about 15 miles outside of town. And he's already got one set of these that I built last year for him. And this set will go out to join them. And he's making a large barn theater. The last one burned down. So I'm not sure what to think of that. But nonetheless, we'll get this done out of the way so we can concentrate on the Great Guitar Build-Off, which is less than 2 weeks away. So hang in there. We'll be back. Enjoy.